In today's video, you will learn about the benefits of rosemary and fennel tea and how to make it to improve your health. Have you heard about this combination? Rosemary is an aromatic herb common in the Mediterranean. Because it is one of the most complete herbs in the health aspect, it has become a frequent subject of scientific studies. Also known as the happiness herb, rosemary is great for eating and aromatherapy. It also makes great tea, the most common way of consuming it. Both its flavor and aroma are pleasant. Fennel tea has incredible benefits. Many believe that it helps with weight loss, while others drink it to sleep better. But do you know the other benefits of fennel tea? This is what you are going to find out today. Benefits of rosemary and fennel tea. Helps with digestion. Rosemary is rich in calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and sodium, minerals that favor diuretic action. Besides, it alleviates the symptoms of poor digestion, bloating, and constipation, in addition to helping cleanse the liver. Fennel is a source of malic acid, which improves digestive functions by offering a good amount of hydrogen to acidify the stomach. Reduces intestinal gas. Thanks to its carminative action, rosemary helps eliminate intestinal gas, reducing discomfort. Fennel contains anethole, a substance that helps with digestion and reduces intestinal gas. Controls blood pressure. Fennel is rich in potassium, which helps control the heart rate and lowers blood pressure. Rosemary has anticoagulant properties that stimulate the circulatory system, improving blood flow and controlling blood pressure levels. Fights stress. Rosemary relaxes the nerves and muscles besides stimulating the brain and memory, which helps us deal with stress. Fennel also has a calming action, alleviating stress and anxiety and improving sleep quality. Improves memory. As we said in a past video, according to a study from Northumbria University, England, rosemary has compounds that help with memory development, and fennel has potassium, a mineral that facilitates body electrical conductivity, including brain connections. Isn't it incredible? Fights cough, common cold, and asthma. Rosemary helps with asthma crises, cold, flu, and coughing, thanks to its stimulant effect. Also, it has expectorant action that helps eliminate phlegm from the lungs and throat. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Fennel has antiviral, antioxidant, and antispasmodic properties, helping fight cough, cold, flu, and runny nose. Both herbs are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory substances that strengthen the immune system. Alleviates rheumatic pains and contusions. Since rosemary is anti-inflammatory, it acts in body inflammations, treating and lessening rheumatic pains, arthritis, muscle pain, and contusions. Fennel has calming and antispasmodic action, both of which relax muscles, being efficient against muscle pain. Alleviates period cramps. Thanks to its analgesic and anti-inflammatory effect, rosemary alleviates period cramps, in addition to being a great soother. Combined with fennel, which is rich in phytoestrogens, they promote and regulate period flow and menstrual cycle. Helps treat hemorrhoids. To treat hemorrhoids, you can drink the tea and make compresses with it. Rosemary and fennel help reduce the swelling in the affected area. See how to make this tea. Write down the ingredients. 34 ounces water, 2 teaspoons rosemary, 2 teaspoons fennel. If you have the herbs planted in your backyard, use 2 branches of each one. Put the water in a pot, add both herbs, then boil for 5 minutes. Strain and drink right away. If you want to sweeten it, add some honey, brown or demerara sugar, or stevia. You can drink this tea every day after one of your main meals or during the day, but never in excess. Drink a cup of tea a day during a week, then give it a 7-day pause before restarting the treatment. Contraindication. This tea can't be drunk by pregnant and nursing women, epileptic patients, infants, small children, and people with a history of seizures. Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.